a confident smile can make such a huge impact on your life, both professionally and personally. And to share some of those reasons why it's so important, as well as for your health, is Dr. Tracy Davidian from the Raleigh Smile Center and one of your patients, Michael Collins. Thanks so much for being here.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Tracy, Dr. Davidian, rather.
Call me Tracy.
Okay. Tell me about Michael's before and after, why he came to see you, because you concentrate on cosmetic dentistry at Raleigh Smile Center.
Essentially, Michael's concern was spacing in between his front teeth, and he just wanted to have a more masculine smile. And so essentially, we treatment planned him for veneers.
So this was before, and look at the after.
He was handsome before, but he's even more handsome now.
Michael, how has the improvement in your smile changed your life?
Well, before I just noticed, you know, when talking, I would cover my mouth with my hand.
Were you embarrassed?
I was kind of embarrassed, and I had nice teeth, like Dr. Tracy said. They were, the shapes of them were kind of feminine, and so it just didn't give me a masculine look. I had braces when I was smaller, and my teeth had started spacing apart again, and some had, you know, gotten stained and yellow. So when I went to her, I said, look, while I'm here, let me talk to you about this. And she had a great plan, and we went from there.
Really having a confident smile, like you said, people, when you're not embarrassed with the way you look when you smile, that really can change everything for a person. How have you seen that with your patients when you do this cosmetic dentistry?
One of the first things that we see, and it's for men and women, is a woman will come back in and her hair will be totally different. She starts wearing her makeup different. You can see with our patients after we fix their smiles or change their smiles that they start carrying themselves with more confidence. They no longer are trying to hide their teeth. They speak to you more directly. They look at you, eye contact. They're speaking to you,
right,
not through you or at you or down at your toes.
Sure,
so it changes the overall confidence
the way they live their lives and see themselves. Tell us what some of the procedures are in cosmetic dentistry. You've got the veneers like Michael has.
You have veneers. We have implants for some patients who are missing teeth. We do all-on-4 with the removable dentures. They're held into place through implants, and that can be done in the same day. The patient will go in to an oral surgeon, extract the teeth, place the dentures with implants, and the patient's leaving with teeth.
Wow. And so you schedule it all together. And that's also part of the other part of your practice with the sedation part.
That's right.
So that folks who are maybe not quite so comfortable, and I think we'll have you come back and talk a little bit more about the sedation part of the dentistry. But also with cosmetic dentistry, is there also a health benefit to having proper teeth placement?
Absolutely. The ability to be able to floss more efficiently. If you have spacing in between your teeth, a lot of times you'll have food that catches in between your teeth more readily. So it can cause more advanced periodontal issues, gum disease, not being able to get in there and brush and clean can also cause, or overlapping of the smile can also cause cavities if you're keeping food lodged in there, not cleaning it appropriately. So having them aligned, you know, is wonderful.
Properly aligned, and also that can also, you know, you and I were talking before that if you have misalignment, it can cause headaches and all kinds of other things that you would never even think about.
Absolutely, it can cause. That's going into changing someone's bite, and that health-wise, it can cause back problems, neck problems, ringing in the ears, sinus issues.
So fixing your smile can fix a lot more than just the cosmetic part of it.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Well, Michael, you really do have a stunning smile now.
Thank you. It's amazing. When I went back to work, it was in the summertime, last year this time, as a matter of fact, and we were getting new ID cards made, and the lady said, "Did you just shave your mustache off?" And I've never had a mustache, so it was a great compliment.
She just knew there was something.
And there was something,
different.
But she just couldn't quite put her finger on it. And,
so a subtle but very marked difference.
Very, very.
And was the recovery time pretty reasonable?
Yes. You know, it was an all-day process or afternoon process. There was some soreness, but I was eating that evening, and smiling the whole time.
All right, excellent. Michael, Dr. Davidian, thank you so much.
Thank you.